Air squats, also known as bodyweight squats, are one of the greatest yet underrated exercises you can do for overall fitness. If you're wondering how these simple movements can actually change your body, stick around, because today I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you do 100 air squats every day. And trust me, you won't want to miss the surprising benefits I'll be revealing at the end. Plus, I'll share some tips on how to get the most out of this daily challenge. Let's go! Build lean body mass and improve your physique. Doing 100 air squats a day is a surefire way to build lean muscle, particularly in your legs and glutes. A study showed that resistance training can increase muscle mass by 1 to 2% per month. And air squats target the largest muscle groups in your body. This not only shapes your physique but also speeds up your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Burn calories and lose weight. Air squats are an efficient way to burn calories. According to Harvard Health, a person weighing 155 pounds can burn around 250 calories doing 30 minutes of bodyweight exercises like squats. Over time, this calorie burn contributes to fat loss, especially if you're consistent and pair it with a healthy diet. Improve your cardiovascular health. While squats are typically thought of as a strength exercise, they can also give your cardiovascular system a solid workout. When performed at high volume, like 100 squats, it gets your heart rate up, improving endurance and heart health over time. Best way to engage lower body muscles. The squat is one of the most effective exercises for engaging your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your calves. Research shows that squats engage more muscles than leg presses and other machines, making them one of the best functional exercises for overall lower body strength. Build stronger and healthier bones. Resistance exercises like air squats have been shown to increase bone density. A study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that squats can help protect against bone-related conditions like osteoporosis, especially as we age. Make you a stronger athlete. Squats improve athletic performance by building functional strength and power in your legs. Whether you play basketball, football, or run track, the explosive power from squat translates directly into more speed, agility, and overall performance on the field. Build incredible power, muscle, and functional strength. One of the biggest benefits of squat is their ability to develop functional strength, which is the kind of strength you use in everyday activities like lifting, running, or climbing stairs. Squat train your body to work as a whole, making you not only stronger but also more balanced. Increase your vertical jump. Want to jump higher? Squats are key. A study published in the Journal of Sports Science found that people who perform squats regularly saw a significant increase in their vertical jump. This is because squats develop the muscles that are responsible for explosive power, like your glutes and quads. Squats make you run faster. Believe it or not, squatting can help you shave seconds off your running time. Strengthening your legs with squats improves your stride length and endurance, which means you can run faster for longer distance. Improve your overall health. Doing squats every day doesn't just change your muscles, it can also improve your general health. Squats boost your metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and even help lower your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Many variations and easy to modify. Another great thing about squat is their versatility. If you're finding the 100 air squat too easy, you can always add variations like jump squat, pistol squat, or even use a resistance band. Squats can easily be adapted to any fitness level, making them perfect for beginners and advanced athletes alike. Now, if you're ready to start doing 100 air squats a day, here are some tips to help you maximize your result. Form is key. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart, chest up, and back straight. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground, then drive up through your heels. Also split your set. You don't have to do all 100 squats in one go. Try breaking it up into 4 sets of 25 repetitions or 5 sets of 20 reps spread throughout the day. As for the best time to do them, you can fit squats into any part of your day, but doing them in the morning can give you an energy boost, while in the evening can help you burn extra calories before bed. And finally, don't neglect recovery and diet. Give your muscles time to recover by incorporating rest days or light stretches. Also, make sure you're eating enough protein and staying hydrated to support muscle repair. That's the power of 100 air squats a day. But to really level up your gains, don't forget the other game changer exercise, the push-ups. Check out this video where I reveal the perfect number of push-ups you should do to maximize your gains. And trust me, the number will definitely surprise you.